Welcome back everybody to our build out series. Today we're going to show you all the improvements we've made to the shop and totally revamp our packaging workstation. Stay tuned. Here in the new office, and we've been working long days, long nights trying to get this ready and get moved in. It's been a battle really, but we got paint on the walls, we got a floor on the ground. The floor itself was a whole fiasco. We used adhesive peel and stick vinyl plank flooring, and we installed it one night, came back the next day, and it was all just peeled up. So we had to totally rip that out, put it in a new floor. But we're here, we're moved in, and it looks great. We've got some desks to build. We've just got some temporary furniture. So expect that video in the future. We're gonna do a build on doing maker pipe desks in here. And we're looking forward to that. So let's go check out the shop. Last time you saw it, we had just raw board on here, OSB, and we actually painted it white. And that was horrible. That was a bad idea. The white showed every little imperfection and just didn't look good. So we found this color called cyberspace gray, and we seemed like that was a fitting color for us, and we really like that. We've been making parts and then also packing in the area for a week now. So we're moved in and running out of the new space, and this is our packaging area. It needs a lot of help. You can see we just have some fold out tables, and we've got this shelving unit that was left here by the previous person in the space. So we really have to do something here to make it easy for us to pack packages and ship stuff out to you guys. So our plan and what we're going to show today is we're going to revamp this workstation and do a brand new maker pipe workstation, and it's going to be great. Let's get into that. We wanted to start off with a good plan for this build because it's going to be pretty intricate. There's a few different things that we wanted to accomplish, but the first thing was just to get the structure set up. So you can see here we've got kind of uprights every 2.5 or 3 feet. It's going to be about 6 feet long, and then you've got these vertical poles that make up the back section and then the front workstation. Here's the tabletop, and then we wanted to have storage underneath, right at our fingertips for the things we use the most. Boxes down below, parts in the back, and then we wanted to have our sealer right here on the workstation built in, so it makes it easy to seal the parts. But I think this is a great plan. Let's get started. Here it is, we're finished. Come check out what we did. We did a basic frame out of maker pipe, and then we added a lot of details to make it even easier to do the packing. Let me show you what we did. First thing is we put all of our back stock right here for each workstation. So we'll have extra parts that we can pull from throughout the day as we're packing. And then as we're packing, parts are going to be presented here on these angle shelves that we did. And we just used a few T connectors and created these angled pipes here to support the boxes. And it's perfect. You can reach right in, it's at your fingertips, and makes it very easy to pick the parts to each order. Here's 2 T connectors. The next thing we did was we made a place for this sealer. We use a heat shrink bag, and here's an example of that, where we take this, and before we had to pick it up, it was real fumbly, and then kerchunk it in the sealer. here, because we flush mounted it, we can just move it over, use the sealer like that. It's done, and then we're off to shrink wrapping it. So we got this sweet holster for the heat gun. It just brings the bag down, shrinks it on the parts like that. Usually you have a lot more parts, but you get the idea. And that goes right back in its place. Next thing we did was put the boxes right at our fingertips. Easy picking on the boxes. So we've got our different size boxes. This is a smaller one. You can put it here. Assemble the box right on the workstation, put the part in it, and then we're ready to pick the accessories. We use these bins, these parts bins, and have an array of 9, so we can get everything we need. If we need some nuts and bolts, or maybe someone ordered caps, a wrench, cutter, all kinds of things right here, really easy to pick. So let's say you got some hardware, it's in the box, and the last thing is we've got to take up some space, so we use paper here, and we got this nice roll, pull it off, a little bit left over, and then crumple it up in the box. Oh, that's a little too much. Trash right there. Got it. Grab the order, put it inside, close up the box. Got my tape right there. And this has made it so much easier for us to pack. Now, you might not have a packing station that you need to build, but whatever your business is or your DIY project, we hope that MakerPipe's gonna make it easier for you to do that. So thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure, if you want to see more great builds like this, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Thanks.